Good morning and welcome back to SGT Times. This is Shambhavi Singh and today we have with us Ms. Zoya Afroz, actress and model. A warm welcome to you, ma'am, on the behalf of SGT University.
Thank you so much, Amvi. And you forgot also the advisory board member for SGT. And it's a pleasure being here. This is my first visit as an advisory board member, and it's such an honor and pleasure to be here and to meet everyone. So thank you so much for that.
As you have visited our campus for the very first time, so how do you like SGT University?
I'm yet to discover like other parts, but the ones that I've seen, first it's humongous. It's huge. There's so many different colleges, and the kind of courses the SGT University offers is so varied, and I think it's an amazing place for someone to learn and grow, and it's a good place for that, not just academic wise, but you have so many different faculties and so many different colleges. You can interact with different people from different backgrounds, not only backgrounds, but different people doing different courses, so you can gain that knowledge as well, so that's interesting.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, as we have launched our very first brand, fashion line, so what uniqueness do you see in that?
Okay, so we are yet to go and inaugurate, and I'm really glad that on the day that I have visited the SGT University, we are launching Design for Life, and let's go there and see what we have to find. And I'm sure these designs are firstly they're curated here by the students and the faculty, so I'm really excited to see what they've done.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what thoughts do you have when you represent our country in different beauty pageant competitions?
Wow, it's rigorous training first of all, because it's a huge responsibility to represent a country of millions, and there's so many. In India itself, our culture and our language and everything changes from from state to state, from city to city. So to represent a country that is that has so much variety to offer in food and language, in cultures and outfits and everything, so it's firstly it's definitely an honor for me to represent India, my country, and secondly it's also a difficult task, because India being such a varied and culturally so heavy a country, so what there's so many good parts, so it's difficult for me to choose which one to kind of put forth and show the world. But I'm hoping that I will represent my country in the best way possible, and the preparation is going on for that. So wish me luck, and
All the very best for that.
thank you. And to all the people and all the students who are watching, please do support me, and I'm going to go to Japan to represent my country at Miss International, and I want all your love and support. So thank you so much.
What advice will you give to young girls aspiring to be a model just like you?
Well, work on yourself. That's the, I think, best advice anyone can give to you. Work on yourself in every way possible. There's so many aspects as a model as well that you need to kind of train and be up to the mark. So I think also more than that, kind of don't take it so hard on yourself. I think that is something that we girls, or we all of us, kind of sometimes take too much pressure on ourselves. And this life is short. Try to make the most of it. Whichever field you choose, whether it's modeling, whether it's any other field, medical, or like you, mass comm, whichever field you choose, there will always be a lot of hard work to do, and there will always be a lot of knowledge to gain. But enjoy the process, and if you don't enjoy, then I really don't think anything makes sense. So enjoy the process and be yourself, and try to bring something new to the table. Yes.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving us your precious time. This was Shambhavi Singh, cameraman Rawat. Thank you so much.